everyone, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research. So without wasting your time, as always in all the videos, I am going to start now. Stay with me. So what you have to do is you have to just uh, create an account on openai.com. Let me show you the process here. You just need to search for OpenAI and then click on this first URL, and you will see this link on the top navigation. Just click on try now. Once you land on this screen, you need to sign up, and then you will see this screen. So I'm already signed up, that's why I'm seeing this screen in front of you. Okay, so what you can do is you can do keyword research with the help of ChatGPT. It's an AI algorithmic platform which can help you to reduce your time in research on writing content or getting the outline for your articles and blog ideas. So I will start with one topic for today, how you can use it to get the keyword ideas based on the search intent. In the upcoming videos, I'm going to tell you how you can get the article written based on the topic that you want to write on. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share one command with you which I am going to tell ChatGPT to give me output based on my instruction. So this is the command I have already created for ChatGPT to give me a list of keywords along with the cluster keywords based on the search intent and along with the title and meta description of that blog topic. Okay, so you can see I'm telling ChatGPT pretend like you are a market research specialist having accurate and detailed information about available keywords. You are also capable of developing a full SEO content plan. Okay, now I'm telling ChatGPT create a table with a list of keywords for content SEO plan for topic. So I'm going to enter a topic, for example, ChatGPT itself is a topic. Okay, so under those angle brackets, I entered the keyword. Okay, now I am telling ChatGPT to categorize the keywords in the top categories and telling him to create columns with the name long tail keywords, keyword cluster, and title, meta description based on the commercial intent, informational, and transactional. Okay, now I am going to copy this and directly put into this command prompt box, and you will see the magic in few seconds. Now ChatGPT has already read my command, and now chat you can see the magic. What kind of help ChatGPT can do for you in your daily activities around SEO and keyword research. Now, as you can see, ChatGPT has given me the cluster keyword, long tail keyword, along with the search intent of that keyword, and based on that keyword, what will be the blog title and what will be the meta description. If you want to make any modification, you can do that, but it will save a good amount of time, like thinking and starting from scratch. It will save a lot of time of mine to go for this approach. Okay. Now, if you want to have more ideas, then you need to type continue. Then ChatGPT will start giving you more ideas based on the instruction that you have given above. Now, these are also unique. AI solution is not repeated on from the top. So you will see the variety that you as a person cannot think of, and you need to do lot of work and research on paid tools like SAMrush, Ahrefs, or many other tools in the market. you can see how lovely it is giving you the results. But I must assure you that you just don't need to believe blindly on the output that has been given by ChatGPT, because at the end it is a machine. If you are an expert in your own domain or niche, you need to verify the facts what is has been given by the ChatGPT. So that's all about this video, and I hope you understand the basic version how to use ChatGPT for keyword research. For now, I'm going to post the command that I have shown in this video in the description box of this video, so that it will be easy for you to use that command in your own research. See you in the next video. Keep subscribing my channel and share with your friends. Take care.